Hey everyone, how are we doing today? Hope you guys are safe and healthy out there. We're gonna get through these tough times. So I just wanted to talk to my active duty military and veteran buyers. I want to give you guys the home buying costs to keep in mind. So now, even though a VA loan is a 0% down payment, 0% down payment does not necessarily mean it's zero to close. So you can expect to need around 3% of the purchase price to close. Now, this varies by region and your situation, but I'm going to give you guys a breakdown of the costs, all of which are averages or estimates. So the first one is going to be your credit report. Now, this is averaged around $30. The buyers are going to usually pay this fee. Second would be the earnest money deposit. This can range anywhere from 1 to 10% of the home's purchase price, and it is the deposit that accompanies your offer and essentially shows the seller that your offer is serious. Now, the larger the deposit, the more your offer stands out, and then the deposit is applied towards the purchase price and closing costs when the deal is closed. So, for more on earnest deposit specifically, you can go check out my other posts. Third would be the appraisal. Now, this could range anywhere from $400 to $1,000, but all VA loans require an appraisal for which buyers pay the upfront cost, but they may be able to recoup the cost at closing. Number four, we have home inspection and pest inspection. The home inspection is $300 to $500, while the pest inspection is anywhere from $50 to $150. Your home inspection is not required, but it is highly, highly, highly recommended, and it provides you with the opportunity to back out of the deal if you notice something you don't like. And the pest inspection, however, is required for VA loans in Massachusetts. Recording fees. So number five is recording fees, and these costs vary by county. Now, Bristol County specifically, the recording fees are $155 for a deed and $205 for a mortgage. More information on recording costs for Bristol County or any other county for that matter can be found on the county's Registry of Deeds website. Number six would be the real estate transfer taxes or excise stamps. And these costs also vary county by county. Bristol County excise stamps are $4.56 per $1,000 of value, rounded up to the nearest $500 before calculating. Now that sounds extremely difficult to try and do out and do the calculation, so I'm just going to give you a quick example. So, for example, if the home you were to go purchase costs $250,750, the recording stamps would be calculated as follows. It would be rounded up to $251,000 because it's rounded up to the nearest 500, and then you divide that number by 1,000, giving you 251, and then you multiply that number by $4.56, giving you the total of $1,144.56 owed in transfer taxes. And even if that's still confusing, I'll put the math in the video description. Number seven is title insurance. Now this is right around $1,000. This cost varies widely from state to state and depends on the price of your home, but $1,000 is the average cost for this policy, and it just protects you against any unrecorded title issues from previous owners. Number eight is the HOA fees. So now these are $200 to $300 a month if you buy in an area with a required homeowners association. You're going to need to pay this application fee as well as your monthly dues. The cost quoted above is based on a typical single family, but it varies widely depending on the type and unit size of your home. And lastly, number nine is the loan origination fees. Now, these can be up to 1% of the loan amount, and this is one of the several fees that make up your closing costs, for which the VA allows lenders to collect 1%, up to 1% of the loan amount for originating, processing, and underwriting expenses. So though VA loans can be a great way to purchase a home with no down payment on the mortgage, there's definitely fees involved, and I just want you guys to be more knowledgeable and not show up to closing with no money. So I hope this was really helpful, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.